Did you ever wonder how much of who you are was shaped before you were even born? Sure, you got your genes from your parents, and your mum's nutrition during pregnancy definitely mattered, but what if I told you your mum's gut microbes might have started building your brain before you ever took your first breath? A brand new study from Georgia State University just shook up what we thought we knew about brain development. Researchers looked at tiny mice raised in super clean, germ-free bubbles. When these baby mice were born without any exposure to their mother's microbes, something unexpected happened. Even if scientists introduced microbes right after birth, these little mice still had fewer neurons in a key part of the brain known as the paraventricular nucleus, or PVN. So what's the PVN? Imagine it as a control center in the brain's hypothalamus, kind of like Grand Central Station for stress and social behavior. Fewer neurons here could mean big changes in how brains process social cues or handle stress. And here's the wild part. The difference wasn't just a phase. Even as adults, these germ-free mice had fewer PVN neurons. This tells us something powerful. The influence of a mother's gut microbes kicks in long before birth, while the baby is still developing in the womb. It's not just about what happens during delivery or the moments right after. The signals from those microbes might literally be sculpting the brain from the inside out, way before anyone's even born. Now, before you rush out to buy probiotic smoothies for every pregnant person you know, keep in mind this research was done in mice. But mice and humans have a lot in common when it comes to the brain wiring, and that makes these findings more than a little bit intriguing. It also raises some big questions about our modern lifestyles. Think about things like cesarean sections or antibiotics around the time of birth, both of which can disrupt the delicate balance of microbes. Could these common practices be having a hidden effect on how brains develop or on how we handle stress and socialize? Scientists say it's too early to know for sure, but it's definitely worth looking into. So what can we do with this knowledge? Maybe future research will show us how to nudge the microbiota of mums-to-be in the healthiest direction. We already know factors like diet, sleep, and even stress can shift the balance of microbes. The next time you think about what makes you you, remember it's not just genes or upbringing. It might be your mom's microbes, hard at work before you were ever born, quietly shaping the person you'd become. Mind-blowing, right?